All right, so we have 4 different pop-ups to choose from. We are putting together the world's greatest pop-ups. We're taking all the best components and we're putting them together to make an incredible piece for the DIYer and the contractor, and we're shipping them all over the US. So I just wanted to go over the 4 that we now offer. We have a clog-free pop-up with a turf restrictor plate. This one is made for 4-inch PVC. This is a 4-inch. All right, so then we have a 4-inch clog-free pop-up with a turf restrictor plate, and this one's made for corrugated pipe. Snaps right in, super easy. Now, we are building 3-inch. 3-inch is known for holding so little water. I mean, look at that 90 compared to a 4-inch. I mean, look at all the water a 4-inch holds versus a 90. Why is this a big deal? Well, in the north, we freeze up, so you don't want these to hold any water. So if you go to a 3-inch, so this is set up for 4-inch PVC to go to a 3-inch 90. Look at how small the diameter is. This is not going to hold any water. Then you have a little hole in the bottom to drain. That little bit of water, the little bit in here will perk. That's not an issue. This is not going to slow your flow down, by the way. If you study at all as an amateur, you can look it up. If you study fluid dynamics, it's not a big deal. You can have this 4-inch line full of water, and when it hits this 3-inch fitting, it does not slow down the flow of the water. When you have a 4-inch pipe full of water, fluids in motion, study fluids in motion. We'll cover this, obviously I'll go into this in depth in a video. I'll do a video for you guys. All right, so this is what we're using now. We got our clog-free design and a 3-inch pop-up. We got the 3-inch elbow, and we have it to where it connects right on to corrugated pipe in a 4-inch. So you got your 4-inch corrugated pipe to a 3-inch fitting that doesn't have very much water in it. That's for the north, where we freeze up. So we offer that 3-inch for 4-inch PVC. Then, for those that don't want to believe that you're going to get all that water through a 3-inch fitting, you will, trust me. When the water hits the 3-inch fitting, it won't even slow down. It'll speed up inside this fitting. The water will actually speed up. The flow of the water will speed up. Because you reduce the diameter right here, you have all this kinetic energy, fluids in motion. When it hits this, it's not going to slow down. The water actually has to speed up inside the smaller diameter so it doesn't slow the flow down, and that's exactly what happens. But those that don't believe it, here's a 4-inch, a true 4-inch, 2 corrugated 4-inch, and a true 4-inch, 2 PVC 4-inch, okay? So now we offer this in 4 different flavors, and of course, we're going to keep expanding our store. We're going to be more aggressive, and we're going to continue just to be very innovative, bringing new products and designs to the market. All right, everybody, until that next video.